Alright, well, since I got fucked by that wrist pin not fitting, I guess we'll finally get to pulling this blown shock out of the pre-runner. It'll just be lower than normal. Alrighty, now that we can see over here, here's what we got to do. So, limiting straps got to come out, and then hopefully we can just jack it up and we won't have to use the hoist to lift the front, and then we'll just unbolt this sucker out of there. Alright, now that that's out, go ahead and jack it up. Alright, jack is maxed out. Just ought to fix it. Yeah, so you guys can't see what it is I'm trying to do. So, because the jack won't go up high enough, this collar will thread up and take the weight off the coil. It just doesn't turn easy. Alright. Whoa. Alrighty, and so now we can spin this up. Whew. And now, yeah, you can see all the fluid that's leaked out of this thing. So now we just got to do the bottom bolt, top bolt, and she'll come on out. Alrighty, should maybe come out. Oh fuck, hose clamp. Yes, of course I can get it. There it is. Alrighty, so we got her out. Let's pull this end cap off if we can. There we go. And then, if I can find somewhere to set this. Yeah, screw it. I'll try to do it one-handed. There it is. Alright, spring is out. Oh yeah, that's yummy. Let's see if this end cap is loose. Yep, it is. Alright. So I think it's this seal that's bad, would be my guess. But I believe over here, yeah, got rebuild kits, so this should be that bottom cap right there. Go bam, and it's black, it'll look better. Let's see. Alright, so this is a 12-inch FOA coilover with the resi. Oh, that is just yummy. Alright, and so let's see if I can get. Oh yeah, I'd say it's that seal. Cow. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the thing is so wobbly on there. Yeah, there is a snap ring in there. Oh. Alright, I'll use my little tiny flathead. Alright, so I'll try to get you guys in here now that I washed my hands off. So right in there, there's a snap ring which holds the silver collar down, so you have to push that down to expose the snap ring, and normally they'll have enough pressure in them where it'll be hard to push it down, but because this one is blown, it'll just stay down at least a little bit while I try to get this stupid snap ring out. And there it is. So bam. Alright, and so then from there you can just pull the whole thing out. It's actually smoking a little bit. Alright. So that is just disgusting. Alright, and so now we can take a look at the O-rings. This is your wear band. It goes right around that part. So when you put it in, you kind of got to make sure that that stays on there while you slide that whole thing back in there. Your shims, are right there under this big nut. Alrighty, and so I either need that nut in there to come off, or I need this end to come off. So I'll put that. Alright, my camera's tripping balls, so I don't know how much of that last bit recorded, but we got it apart. So I either need this nut down here to come off, or this top piece to come off. So we'll vise it down with that nut, put a bar through here, twist it. Why am I zoomed in? And then that'll get one of them off. So it doesn't matter which one. We just need to be able to slide both of these off and put the new ones on. Alright, so we got that guy off. Bam. And that can slide off too. And then I need to cut the zip tie. Please. There we go. Alright, so we got plenty of extra O-rings if we ever need them in the future. But for right now, we're just gonna slap these new guys on, maybe. Oh, geez. So that's what it's like with new seals. When in doubt, just thread it in. Slowly getting there. So new one is on there and much tighter. And then this one, oh yeah, it's actually difficult to move. Both of them, they don't just slide wherever they want to go in there. Alright, so now throw that new wear band on there. Shameless plug. Alright, so now we'll fill the can back up. I'll see if I can get it in the vise so you guys can see too. Alright, tilt that up some. And then you want to make sure the resi is down so it can flow down into the resi, as you can see. should bubble as it fills that back up. Come on. In case you couldn't see that, I just sprayed myself in oil. Alright. Entirely sure if that's down enough, but we shall try. Oh, come on. Get in there. Okay. Pull that guy off. We're going to stick the old one back on, maybe. Okay, so we're going to stick the old one back on. That way we're not hammering on the new one. Make sure we get it down below where that snap ring needs to be. Oh yeah, we're good. Slide it back up. Come on. There it is. Alright. Now take our snap ring back in there. Just like that. And bam. It's in the whole way around. Take our cap. Alright. That's gonna need some pressure to come back up. But like I said, for now, there we go.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.